These calculus family tutorials solve the absolute of 1 plus 3 over x is greater than 2. Do well to subscribe and watch this video to the end. To solve the absolute of 1 plus 3 over x is greater than 2, of course, you have two different cases, right? So you simply write case 1, that is 1 plus 3 over x is greater than 2. This is for the positive side, okay? So for the positive side, you simply have to send 1 there, right? So this gives 3 over x is greater than 2 minus 1, right? So this gives 3 out of x is greater than 1. At this case, we are going to have one solution for this expression to be valid. If you have 3 over x and is greater than 1, then it means that x here is supposed to be something greater than 0, right? It's supposed to be greater than 0. So you're going to have x is greater than 0 to be our first solution. Then once you write this down, box it, you have the next solution by solving. So simply, you're going to have, you cross multiply, you have 3 greater than x or x less than what 3, right? You're going to have x less than 3 as another solution for this case, right? So from here, you're going to get x, which is greater than 0 or less than or 3 as our answer. Then case 2. For case 2, you're going to have 1 plus 3 out of x is going to be less than negative 2, okay? Because you're going to take, for an absolute, the outcome can be positive or negative, right? So the first case is for positive, the second case is for negative. So for 1 plus 3 over x is less than negative 2, you're going to have 3 out of x is less than negative 2 minus 1, right? You're going to have 3 out of x is less than negative. At this point, for 3 out of x to be less than negative 3, meaning that x is supposed to be less than what? 0, right? You're going to have negative values, right? So here you see x is less than 0 as our first box. Then the next thing is to simplify. So this is going to give us 3 over negative 3 is less than what? X. Is that not it? Right? You're going to have 0 less than what? X, right? So that is x here is going to be, going to have negative 1 less than x, right? So therefore, we're going to have negative 1 less than x as another box. Then the final answer becomes x greater than negative 1 and less than 0, right? Therefore, the solution to this is simply 0 less than x less than 3, or negative 1 less than x less than 0. This is all I have for you in this video. Subscribe and join me in my subsequent tutorials.